we'll remove it for the rising pipe to pass through here. So all this pipe that you are seeing over here will be connected to it. So we'll encase it. Whenever you have a problem, we just open it and work on it. It's better than to have it in the wall, whereby there is a leakage, you have to break the wall before you fix it. You can see the thickness of the wall behind it. So this is running on the surface. So whenever there's a problem, you just open your ducts and fix it.
Show the duct. Show other ones. So the stand.
This one do the same thing. There's the one coming from the down.
So there's one here. And this is the one.
Some of them, like this one, is for
Along the
rainwater. To collect rain
collect
from the
rainwater
roof.
from the top. Fantastic.
You.